Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Both UANs, Aadhaar, and PAN must match records, and your mobile must receive OTPs. Once ready, log into the EPFO Unified portal with the UAN that you currently control. Make sure to select the Manage or Multiple UAN option. This initiates the linking request. You'll enter the second UAN and associated member details. The portal verifies basic data. If it fails, you correct mismatches before moving on to the verification step. Once you've entered the second UAN, you must verify identity. Choose Aadhaar OTP or employer attestation depending on availability. If using Aadhaar, send the OTP to your registered number and enter it promptly. If using employer attestation, notify HR to approve the request in their employer portal. The system cross-checks names, DOB, and Aadhaar. You'll see a pending status. Keep your primary UAN session active, while the attestation or OTP confirmation completes to avoid timeouts. After submission, monitor the UAN dashboard for confirmation that the two accounts are merged or one is marked for transfer. This can take days. Once done, ensure contributions and service history appear under the surviving UAN. If the process stalls due to mismatched KYC, update records through your employer or file a grievance on the EPFO portal with scanned documents. If nothing changes, contact your employer's PF admin. This often resolves attestation or establishment code issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.